stop scrolling. Because what you're about to hear may change the way you see Earth forever. We grew up thinking monsters exist only in movies, only in myths, only in nightmares. But what if I told you they're real? Creatures so bizarre, so impossible, that when scientists first saw them, they refused to believe their own cameras. Beings that live where sunlight has never reached, in oceans deeper than fear, in mountains colder than death, and in places where no human can survive a single minute. Today, you're not watching a story, you're witnessing reality. 10 real creatures recently discovered on our planet, so strange, so terrifying, you'll swear they're monsters. And number 1, even scientists can't explain how it's alive. In 2022, scientists filming the deep sea near New Zealand captured something unbelievable: a baby ghost shark. Ghost sharks, or chimeras, live thousands of feet below the ocean surface. They have smooth jelly skin, glowing blue eyes, and a skull that looks partially transparent. Their most shocking feature? A venom-filled spike on their head. For years, scientists believed ghost sharks were nearly extinct. But this newborn discovery proved that these mysterious creatures are still alive, thriving in a world without sunlight. With their long wings and floating movements, ghost sharks look less like fish and more like silent aliens swimming in the dark.
In 2023, biologists in northeast India discovered a fish so strange they named it the dragon snakehead. This creature can breathe air, walk on land, survive outside water for hours, hunt frogs, insects, even small birds. It has shimmering dragon-like scales and glowing red fins. Locals call it the monster fish. What scared scientists? When threatened, the fish rises out of the water and hisses. It literally makes a sound like an angry snake. A real land-walking dragon fish. Not fantasy, not mythology, real biology. Deep under the Pacific Ocean, near Antarctica, researchers found a species they named the Yeti crab. Why? Because it's covered in soft white hair-like fibers, almost like a furry snow creature. But the newly discovered pink-handed version is even stranger. It waves its fuzzy claws like it's farming something. And guess what? It actually grows bacteria on its arms and eats them. A creature that farms food on its own body. Something no one expected to see in nature.
In 2021, scientists exploring the Solomon Islands discovered a creature villagers had feared for generations: the demon bat, also called the flying fox. It has a wingspan wider than an eagle, a face that looks uncannily human, giant glowing eyes, sharp teeth for crushing fruit and insects. When this creature hangs upside down, with its wings wrapped round its body, it resembles a cloaked demon watching silently from the trees. But despite the terrifying appearance, it's harmless, just extremely unsettling to look at. In the freezing mountain lakes of Bolivia, researchers found a salamander that looks like it escaped from the Jurassic period. Locals call it the lake dragon because of its feathery external gills, wide flattened skull, and dinosaur-like back shape. It lives in waters cold enough to freeze humans in minutes. Scientists believe it may be one of the oldest amphibian lineages on Earth, a living relic from millions of years ago.
This is one of the strangest creatures ever found. Discovered near hydrothermal vents deep in the Indian Ocean, the volcano snail literally wears armor made from metal. Its shell contains iron and sulfur, making it one of the only animals with a metal shell. Imagine a creature living on the border of boiling water, metal skin, and temperatures that melt steel pipes. No wonder scientists call it the real-life armored monster. Found in Australia and parts of Asia, this spider looks like it walked straight out of a nightmare. It has 2 gigantic glowing eyes, a face shaped like a screaming mask, long stick-like legs, and the ability to hunt using a net. Yes, it throws a silk net over its prey, something almost no other spider does. At night, its giant reflective eyes shine like 2 blue headlights in the dark. Creepy, but fascinating. In 2021, a new cousin of the sea dragon was discovered off the coast of Australia. It looks like a floating piece of seaweed, but it's a fish. With delicate leaf-shaped fins and neon patterns, it moves like a drifting plant. The creature is so perfectly camouflaged that divers have missed it even when it swims right in front of their masks. A real ocean dragon hidden in plain sight. In 2020, scientists discovered a new species of isopod, a creature related to woodlice, but this one grows up to 20 inches long. It lives at the bottom of the ocean, looking like a gigantic armored cockroach. With plates of bone-like armor, a pale alien face, and legs that fold like a mechanical robot. When the team first filmed it, one scientist said, "This thing doesn't look real," but it is. And it's one of the largest deep-sea creatures ever recorded of its kind.
In 2024, researchers exploring the South China Sea discovered a glowing creature drifting above the world's deepest blue hole, the dragon hole jellyfish. This jellyfish has glowing rings, long electric-looking tentacles, a crown-shaped body, and bioluminescent patterns that pulse like breathing fire. It looks like a living magic spell underwater. Even experts were confused at first. Some thought the footage was CGI, but when they confirmed it was real, scientists said it's one of the most alien creatures ever found on Earth. Many believe thousands of such species remain undiscovered, hidden where humans cannot reach. Do you think even more terrifying species are still hiding in the deep? Tell me your thoughts. And if you want a part 2 with even more shocking creatures, just let me know.